Hello and welcome to another vlog from Rome. This time I will show you my top 7 spots here in this amazing city. Some of them are well-known landmarks, but I will also show you some hidden gems in this city. So stay tuned and hopefully you will enjoy this video. The most typical landmark of Rome, Colosseum. I'm not going inside. If you hear on this channel longer, you know I'm not that person who go inside to the museum or some landmarks. And there is queue like a hell. And it's hot, so I'm not going to wait here. And it's actually nice from outside as well. You can walk around. It takes approximately 15 minutes to walk around Colosseum. So if you don't want to go inside, you don't need to, you will see everything from outside. So all this is queue to Colosseum. All these people waiting. It's like a lot. That's so many people. Even if you buy like skip line ticket, it's so busy anyway, and inside it's lots of people. It's up to you, but it's overcrowded definitely. Over there at Forum there is queue as well, but at least it's really big, so it does not look that crowded inside, but you need to wait. And as you can see, they are waiting on direct side sun, so it's not really nice. I am in front of the Pantheon, again one of the very known landmark here in Rome. Actually, if this is a queue, it's not that bad. When I was here last time, it was massive. It was like 10 times more than this queue, but over there is some people waiting as well, so I don't know if you probably just buy a ticket here and then you just need to wait in another queue, which is massive. Yeah. Actually this time lots of building site or like some restoration that's going on here in Rome. This is Fountain, which is not working at the moment, unfortunately. But it's a really nice square. You can have some gelato here or some food. Fontana di Trevi during the day. At 5:30 you can see it's so busy. It's absolutely crowded everywhere. Fontana di Trevi, 11 p.m. a random Tuesday, and it's so busy. I'm going to check this Basilica and Piazza Navona. It's one of my favorite here in Rome. I am in front of Fountain della, and it's outskirts of Rome. And it's really nice. I actually walked here from Vatican, which took approximately 1.5 hours, but it's definitely worth it. It's really nice, and wait for a view. You can see the whole Rome. Definitely, if you have time and you want to see something different, not just usual stuff here in Rome, come here. I will write the name of the place in the description. If you walk a little bit from Fontaine down, you will see this nice mausoleum. You can come closer and check it. If you actually want, you can buy a ticket and go inside of mausoleum. If you go behind Museum Capitolini, you will see this amazing view of Forum Romanum. You don't need to go inside. You see everything even better than from inside. And like further distance, you can see Colosseum as well. That's absolutely amazing. I am in Giardino degli Aranci Park. It's stunning. You need to come here, definitely. Wait for a view. There's lots of people here because it's golden hour.
Still figuring out my travel plans.
Nice. And it's shadow here. You can sit here or just chill out.